the town of Etowah reached out to the University of Tennessee Civil Engineering Department to help with their flooding issues. Etowah's flooding issues stem from the current infrastructure, which consists of two branches of Cane Creek, Branch 2 and Branch 3, that is congested with sediment and vegetation buildup and was the focus of our designs. With cost being a huge factor within this project, 4 designs were engineered to allow the town of Etowah options as they obtained the funding needed. These designs included a 439,000-gallon underground detention system, a 97,000-gallon dry detention pond, and a stream restoration of both branches that consist of the removal of concrete lining and sediment buildup and replacing with riprap, which will allow for infiltration and prevent future bank erosion.
So when we first arrived at Etowah, they portrayed that they had a flooding issue. And after we reflected and analyzed what they had initially told us, we realized that we were initially starting from scratch. In addition to that, some of the aspects that were very difficult about this project was we're sitting right on a stream and we're trying to create a cost-effective solution that provides a great enough flood mitigation impact at a reasonable cost. Sitting right on that stream also limits us to how much impact we can do due to EPA and TDEC regulations.
So for positive outcomes for this project, it gives the City of Etowah a starting point to get funding and kind of gets talks going on what design they want to go with and what they want to choose to do for flood options. And then the other positive is it gives them flexibility and options to choose from in terms of what they do in terms of costs, if they just want to do a stream restoration or construct dry detention ponds or construct the underground detention pond in phases or the whole thing, they can choose as they wish with whatever funding and what they can afford and what they want to construct initially.
One of the personal positive outcomes that I enjoyed while I was working on this project was that the project was very difficult. It had many complex needs to it, that as far as Etowah being in the floodplain. And one of the biggest positive outcomes that I had was we designed them multiple solutions, and we were able to work through what we learned in class, multiple different classes, to learn what we needed to give them, and we gave them different solutions based on complexity of need and price point.
Like Corey was saying, this project was very complex, and it's what makes C400 so great was you're not given anything starting out on this project. You're kind of given an issue, and you have to sit there and solve it. And so what makes C400 so great is you have to obtain your givens, and it's very much a real world project.